So you've been trying to figure out how to create your own AI avatar. Yeah, I get it. Well, you're in the right place. Just stay with this. I'll show you how it's done. It's not a quick one, so get comfortable. Okay, what you just watched is a fully AI-generated 3D avatar that I built from scratch using free tools. No expensive software, no design degree, just me, my laptop, and a few tools I'm going to walk you through step by step. If you're new here, my name is Zuri. I make videos about building faceless YouTube channels and using AI to create content that actually looks good. Today's video is a full tutorial. We're going to be doing this together right now, so if something goes sideways and knowing AI tools, something probably will. However, if something goes sideways, you're going to see exactly how I handle it. Let's get into it. Alright, so before I touch any tool, I always start with an idea. Because here's the thing. If you jump straight into generating images and videos without a clear direction, you're going to waste a lot of time going in circles. Trust me, I've done it. So the first question I ask myself is, who is this avatar? What's her world? What does her life look like? For this tutorial, I already have a character in mind. She's polished. She's the kind of woman who has a morning routine, shows up to the office looking put together, plays golf on weekends, and hits the gym without making it a whole personality. Soft luxe meets corporate energy. That's the vibe. Alright, now that I know the kind of character I want, I don't jump straight into generating. First thing I do is to come over to Pinterest. We're going to search for something like a beautiful African-American woman, elegant and classy. I'm just looking for a vibe, not copying anything exactly. This looked great, but it's not giving the vibe I want. I need something clean, classy, confident look. Something like this. Perfect. Now I'll just save this reference image. You can skip this part if you want. But this reference image helps a lot because now I'm not guessing anymore. It just gives me an idea of what I'm trying to create. Okay, now that I have my Pinterest reference saved, I'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to help me write the perfect image generation prompt using the reference image. So here's the prompt. Based on the reference image, write me a detailed image generation prompt. The prompt should be written for a 3D animated render, not realistic photography. Think high quality, Pixar adjacent, but more mature and refined. Include lighting, render style, and level of detail in the prompt. Let's see what it generates. Okay, this is perfect. So I'm just going to copy this prompt, paste it here, and generate our avatar. Not quite what I want, but this will do. I also want to add one more thing. I want it to specify the side view. This helps keep things consistent when she moves. So in order not to waste a lot of time, I'll just paste in my side view prompt and generate. But don't worry, all the prompts I used will be in the description. Perfect. Now that we have her front and side view, we can start putting her into her world, scene by scene. Next things is to take everything ChatGPT gave us and turn it into images. For the first scene one, I want her to be at home. It's quite early. The city is barely awake, but she's already up. You get the idea. So I'm just going to upload our image and type something like, generate an image. 3D animated scene of the elegant woman in the reference picture. Maintain her exact face and stature. She is wearing a silky cream satin robe, applying skincare. Expression is calm and unhurried. Soft, warm morning light coming through a frosted window. Steam rising faintly in the background. Modern minimalist bathroom. White and warm beige tones. Fresh flowers on the counter. Gold fixtures, cinematic 3D render, Pixar adjacent but mature and refined. High detail, 8K render quality, shallow depth of field, and generate. I like this. The lighting is doing exactly what I want, but there's a little problem. The aspect ratio isn't right. So I'm just going to change the ratio right here. And let's see what we get. Perfect. So we're just going to save this and create the next scene. For the second scene, I want her to be at work. Luxury corporate girl vibe. So I'm just going to upload the reference images just like before and paste my prompt. Don't worry, I won't forget the aspect ratio. So here's our prompt. Generate an image, aspect ratio 6:9, 3D animated scene of the elegant woman in the reference picture. Maintain her exact face and stature. She is wearing a tailored charcoal gray blazer over a white silk blouse, pearl earrings, reviewing documents with a focused, calm expression, floor-to-ceiling windows behind her showing a city skyline, soft, natural daylight filling the room, a sleek laptop and fresh coffee cup on the desk. Clean, minimal office decor, neutral tones with warm wood accents, cinematic 3D render, Pixar adjacent but mature and refined, high detail, 8K render quality, slight bokeh on background. Wow, what a confident booster. This is so cool. That depth is what makes the scene feel expensive. Now let's create the golf course scene. This is my favorite scene. There's something about golden hour on a golf course that's cinematic without even trying. Again, I'm just going to upload my reference images and paste my prompt. And this is it. I could continue pasting the prompt and the images will generate, but AI tools could make mistakes, and I don't want to take that risk. Next scene is the gym. This will be the last scene. I'll just upload my reference images again and paste my prompt. Yeah, this is cool. At this point, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment, and if this is helping you so far, just drop a like. Subscribe if you haven't already, it really helps a lot. Okay, now let's animate. This is the part we've been waiting for. So we have 4 static images, beautiful, detailed, and intentional. Now we're going to make her move. I'm using the GenV app for this process. I talked about the app in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, you can go check it out. We're waiting for you. So here's how I approach every single animation prompt. I describe 3 things: what part of her is moving, how she's moving, and what the camera is doing. Let's start with scene 1. We'll just upload our first scene and paste in the prompt and generate. We're just going to give it a moment to process. And here we go.
Hi, I'm Aria. Nice to meet you.
That was really smooth. The hand movement is natural. The slight camera push adds that cinematic feel. I'm just going to save this and generate the next scene. I'll just upload my image, paste my prompt, and generate. Let's move to the next scene. Paste our prompt, generate, and wait.
Okay, that's enough for one day.
Okay, I need a moment because that is gorgeous. The way the light moves with her during the swing, the grass swaying, the camera pull, it looks like something out of a luxury brand commercial. So I'm just going to save this now. And finally, the last scene. Not exactly what I wanted, but it's not bad. Now let's clean it all up. I'm not going deep into editing today. I'll show you the structure I use so you can replicate it. First, you go to CapCut or any editing tool and join your clips together. We're going to start with the morning routine, then the office, the golf scene, and lastly, the gym. That order tells a story without a single word. Just trimming, tightening transitions, and keeping it smooth. All right, let's view this in full.
Hi, I'm Aria. Nice to meet you. Okay, that's enough for one day.
So, that's it. From a Pinterest reference and a ChatGPT prompt to that. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe so you don't miss more contents like this. Everything I used is in the description. Wishing you all the best on your Faceless channel journey. See you in the next video.